How to give your friends Robux on iPhone and Android phone? Welcome to another Roblox Mobile tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to give your friends or send your friends Robux on Roblox Mobile. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to show you how to give your friends Robux, I'm going to be using two different accounts. This account right here, GGadgetsYT4, is going to be the friend that will be receiving the Robux, and then GGadgetsYT will be sending the Robux. So to get started, the first thing that needs to happen is the friend or person receiving the Robux needs to create a game pass, because we're going to be using a Roblox game called Please Donate to send and receive our Robux. So to create a game pass, all we need to do is select More in the bottom right of the Roblox mobile app, and then scroll down and select Create. Once we get into Create, select the menu button in the top left, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and then select Dashboard. So now that we're in Dashboard, we can scroll down. By default, all Roblox users have a place. So now just select your place. Once your place loads, select the menu button next to Dashboard, and we just want to scroll down and under Monetization, select Passes. So now what we need to do is create a pass, and this will allow us to receive donations on Please Donate. So go ahead and create your pass. Once it says create a pass, scroll down, and you can upload an image if you want to, but you don't have to. So all we need to do is enter a name. When you're filling out this information, make sure it's nothing offensive because Roblox doesn't like that. So I'm just going to do give friend Robux. Now we can scroll down and select create pass. Now that we've created the pass, go ahead and select the pass to open it up. And once it opens, select the menu button next to dashboard and select sales. So now we just need to toggle on item for sale, and this will list the pass for sale, and we can enter how many Robux we want to receive from our friend. So I'm just going to do as a test, 10 Robux. So Roblox keeps 30% of this, and this is like a transaction fee. So if I list the price as 10 Robux, I'm only going to get 7 Robux. So just keep that in mind. Once you set your price and you've listed the item for sale, go ahead and select Save Changes, and then we're good to go. So now we can select the X in the top left of Roblox, and then go home. So now the person receiving the Robux is done. They don't have to do anything else. So I'm just going to log out, and then I'm going to log into the account that sends the Robux. So now that our friend has created a game pass and listed it for sale, to send them Robux, all we need to do, open up the Roblox app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then once from the home screen, select Search, and just search Please Donate. Once you see Please Donate come up, go ahead and select it and play it. And now that we have entered Please Donate, select the gift icon in the left side of Please Donate. And then we just want to enter their username, our friend that created the game pass. You can type them out a message, but you don't have to. And then you can just select gift. So now it'll bring us to their stand, and we can just select the game pass that they created. And then we can purchase it. And then that person will be sent 10 Robux. Now the person that you're giving Robux to just needs to open up Please Donate. And when they get to Please Donate, select the little GIF icon. And when they see GIFs right here, select the mail icon in the top right. And then they'll see where someone sent them Robux. All they need to do is claim it. And then those Robux will show up in their account in a few days. All right, so that's how you give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.